it's brand new, and I'm gonna be really honest, I'm not really good at understanding how it works just yet. I'm pretty good at this part, but I'm not, hang on, I shouldn't have said that, right? It's not locking right. There we go. Okay, but I'm not good at the milk part yet. So on how to steam it, I have my milk, my little steamer cup. It's whole milk. I have my cute little adorable, these are actually cocoa cups from Mexico. And I absolutely love them. I went yesterday out looking for some really like unique cappuccino cups. I found several espresso cups, but I didn't really find any cappuccino cups. I found a lot of other stuff, but for now, I'm going to just use this one. I don't know why it's not working. I don't know, do I have to wait for it to stop blinking? I'm not sure. Maybe that's the secret. Maybe I've been trying to start it too soon. That is the secret. See, I just learned something. So it's a double espresso. Smells so good. Okay. Of course, you know I've already had one of these today. Okay, wait for it to stop dripping. And now this is where my problems start. I'm not sure. Like, oh, see, it started already without my. For it to stop blinking. Maybe that's when it tells me it's ready to do its thing. It's blinking for a long time. Okay, so I know this is not good frothy. It's hot, but it's not good frothy because someone told me that good frothy doesn't have any big bubbles in it, so I'm gonna have to work on the frothy. So I have the espresso down. Look how good that looks. Like I've got that figured out. So here's my espresso. It's looking good, and then I'm gonna pour the frothy over it. So I know I'm probably doing this wrong because I don't know what I'm doing, but here we go. I'm trying to get an overhead view, but yeah, no. Here we are, my beginner cappuccino in a cocoa mug. I don't know. Life is a journey, and things are like, how boring would life be if you knew everything and you didn't have anything new to learn? So this is my new learning curve. I'm betting it probably would have turned out better if I was using a cappuccino cup, because I know cappuccino cups come out wide at the top. They don't cinch in like cocoa cups do. Still tastes good though.